Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back with another unboxing. Look at this, folks. It's the Amazon Echo Show 21. This is the largest Echo Show that Amazon has ever created. And we'll get to unbox it right now. Be sure to watch the review. I'm gonna actually be installing it just over here. So you'll wanna watch that review, but it all starts at the unboxing. So without further ado, let's get at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. It's all about the presentation. Let's see what it looks like. There you go, full 21 inch. Look at the size of this display. Let me take this out. Whoa, it is heavy. Look at that. There's that display. I don't know what it looks like because it's pretty shiny there. Also some other stuff on the bottom. Let me take this out and get this box out of the way. Oh, there's the bracket. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll notice that I did do an unboxing and an installation of the Echo 15 that I put in my Airbnb suite. If you want to watch that, I show you step by step on how to mount it. That one gave you a chance to do vertically or portrait style, whereas this one looks like it's full on. This is the orientation. Oh, we got, look at this, 2 batteries, and of course, they're Amazon basic batteries. Wouldn't expect anything else. I like the fact that all of this is made out of cardboard, super easy to recycle, even the box and all that. Okay, so here we go with the Fire TV. I just want to show you, there are buttons on the top. Okay, a big difference, I just noticed this right now compared to the 15. If you want to turn the camera off, the shutter button is right on the top. It used to be on the side, and I think the camera was on the side, depending on the orientation that you had the Echo Show 15. You also have 3 buttons here on the top. I guess this one is to mute Alexa there. And then also you have some buttons up and down. I guess those are volume buttons. It has this almost like frame to it. I wonder if that comes off. Let me just double check. Yes, this whiteness comes off, so I'll take that right off. It's like a little mini TV. Other things I want to show you, it does come with the remote control, so you can control Alexa. This is very similar if you've had a Fire TV stick. You're going to be familiar with this remote control. It's got dedicated buttons for Amazon Prime Video. Hey, they even got a Netflix button. That's impressive. So you can watch Netflix on this. Also has Amazon Music, of course, and then a separate apps button along there as well. Got some screws inside here. Again, 2 batteries, but what is most important is this mounting plate. This is the plate to which you install on the wall, and then the Echo Show 21 will install to that. So here's an up-close look of everything you get with the Echo Show 21. Of course, there's the unit itself, 21.5 inches. Got the camera on the top. You can see that I have the shutter off to hide the camera. Gives you that privacy option, but you can of course open it up to take video calls. Here is the 2 instruction manuals that you come. Like I mentioned, it does have, where is it? There it is, a QR code, scan help for the accessories. This is really cool. This is a mounting template. So it's gonna help you perfectly align everything, make sure it's all nice and straight. You have, of course, batteries, some screws, this controller, which it comes. This did not come with the 15, so this is new. Now you basically have an Amazon, oh, maybe I should turn it over. Controller, Fire TV controller, very similar to if you have a Fire TV or if you have the Fire TV stick. There's your template or mounting plate, and of course the power. This concludes the unboxing. You're gonna wanna go ahead now and watch the review as I show you not only how to use it, but I'm gonna show you the installation process. So if you're not handy, you can be if you watch Handy Andy do this install. If you can use a drill, trust me, you can install this, but you wanna do it right, make sure everything is perfectly level, and you want to do a good job in hiding the cord as well. So all of that you can find in the installation and review video of this bad boy right here, the Echo Show 21. Once again, folks, my name is Andy Baryer. Handy Andy, like, subscribe, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. If you have a smart home, you need a hub for all of your devices, something like this is definitely worth checking out. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. Like, subscribe. I'll see you at the review and installation video.